Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can see your story archive on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can see or where you can see your story archive, but you don't know how. So today I am going to teach you on how you can see your story archive on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then once you log in, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this Instagram profile page. From here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, tap on this archive button. Once you select the archive, you'll see here the stories archive. There you go. If you wanted to know your archive on your Instagram, that is the easiest way you know how. If you know another way on how you can see story archive on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.